my goodness, Pasha.
Oh, she likes that.
He likes it.
Yeah.
Huh?
Wow.
She's very fussy
Eating
eater.
vegetable, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. You're eating veggie, Pasha. That's okay. Wow. Good, good. She's gonna finish.
Oh my god.
Seems to be looking at food here on my side. Ori wants to eat too.
Ollie.
You just came to meet someone.
Oh my gosh, Pasha. I've never seen her eat like that.
Wow.
She's very fussy. Usually she'll
Yeah.
go sniff her food, and she won't touch it for half an hour or so, and then come back.
Wow.
What's that?
You know it's the
Vegetable.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
7 kind of vegetable in there.
Yeah.
Just so good.
The vegetable, all vegetable is in the bowl. They make very good for a lot. So that's why it's
Wow.
すごい.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Here is the